Alright, y'all. I'm gonna try to get this video out on my phone. Try the GoPro's glitching. I don't even know if I have enough storage on my phone. But we're gonna find out. So, I ain't posting on here in a while. But today I'm gonna do a walk around of my little project truck I've been working on. Y'all know I got the other little truck. I don't even know. Y'all seen it in my shorts. I've had shorts of it. I don't even know if y'all seen it in an actual video how it sits right now. But I'm gonna do a walk around on it too. But yeah, this is my project truck. I was supposed to be doing videos on it as I was going through everything, but it was just terrible. So I just couldn't do it. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a little walk around. All right, y'all. This is my 1991 F250. Yeah, this is this is my 1991 F250 custom. It's got 4.9 liter inline six, 300 cubic inch, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll throw up a picture of what it used to look like and then, you know, what it looks like now. I mean, it's huge transformation, man. It still got some motor work. Hood's popped because I was doing power steering pump and I had to pull the radiator and this and that, and I had to take a break, so you know, I just started recording. But yeah, so to start off, you know, she was missing a fender and a bumper. So, you know, one got a little chrome bumper and a fender from Parts You Pull It. Looked pretty good, all right. There's Monkey right there. And then we got these headlights. I asked for these for Christmas. I asked for most of these for Christmas so I didn't have to spend my own money, you know what I'm saying? But these are some eBay headlights. Got LED bulbs for the headlights. Need to get LED bulbs for the running lights. They look pretty good. Need to get a chrome grill though. But anyways, back on it. The grill don't look too bad, you know what I'm saying? So it's all right for now. But and these wheels, they had the stocks on it. It's a 8 by 8. I think it's a, what is it, a 865, I think. 8 on 6.5. And I needed some 8 by 170 because these came off of that 06 right there, and it's a different lug pattern. So I had to buy some adapters, and you know me, I went the cheap route. Got some $100 four adapters plus the lug nuts plus the keys for the lug nuts for $100 off of eBay. I'll put that link down below for y'all if y'all need it. But anyways, yeah, there's some weld sandstorms, 17 by 9, 17 by 10, something like that. And I got it in a Hercules street tire, 245 70/17, because I didn't want to buy no all-terrains or mud tires yet, because I ain't got no dang money. Right? But anyways, yeah. And so, you know, I went ahead and sprayed over all this. I wasn't too worried about it, really. But I need to go back, buff over it, so I can get the chrome back, you know what I'm saying? Same with the antenna here. Make sure to take my mirrors off. Look at, hi, y'all. Hands a little dirty. But, yeah, that looks painted, but trust me, it's not. It's just shiny, you know what I'm saying? I need tint. Alright. Yeah, we got a toolbox on there. Toolbox was always on there. I need to get some buffing pads, some polishing pads for a grinder, so I can do that with compound. In the back, oh, let me tell y'all. So, you know, those adapters was 1.5 inches thick. And the old studs, the wheel studs coming off, they're dually adapter. They're dually hubs in the back, but it's just a regular bed. You know, I don't know why it's like that. But so those were extra long, so I had to cut them in half to be able to get it to set flush on there, and I had to cut the tips off the front. It was something stupid, all right. But you know, it got the same little exhaust. It's got like 3 cats and a glass pack, I think. Need to get that probably straight pipe, you know what I'm saying? But in the back, we got some clear and chrome LED tail lights. I didn't know QRP or TRQ. What is it? Who is it? I think it's TRQ. They make taillights for this, but they didn't have the silver. They didn't have the clear and silver. They just had the smoked, and they had the C. I thought these had the C, but they did not. But yeah, it's missing a tailgate right now. That's in the shop. I just painted it. The bumper, I'm going to end up making a roll pan for it. So I'm going to have all this, and then I got that little tow package deal right there. I'm slap under there to, you know, be able to pull the trailer and whatnot. But yeah, coming down this side, there's a third brake light up there. I can't find a third brake light for sale, and the back's not painted yet. But yeah, this gas tank is bad, It's full of water. And so there goes old daddy trying to show off. Look at him go, man. But yeah, that one don't hold water. I mean, it holds water. It is full of water. I need to drop it, drain it, all that. Probably put a new one in it. But yeah, I just didn't paint that one just so I don't forget, you know. Only the rear one works. Oh, I forgot. This thing didn't even have a door on it on this side neither. This whole side was pretty much gone. And so yeah, I got me a door too. And yeah. It came with a mirror and everything, of course. I got all that from parts. You pull it. There's me again. Alright, there you go. But this thing ain't been registered since 2019. So that's good. And, you know, you got the welds around here. What? The hood's popped. I guess interior now. Interior is not perfect. But yeah, this door panel is like barely on. This is from a bullnose. This is a bullnose door. I just ran out of space, but I just deleted 2 apps, so I didn't run out of space. All right, but yeah, this is a bullnose door panel, and I guess we had a bullnose door over there, but I just slapped it on here and it fit perfect. I just got to get some clips for it to hold in because all the clips was broke. And this right here came with the door. I need to get one for that side because that side's just bare metal. That's the stock door panel over there. I need to paint this one gray to match up. But yeah, we got some, I don't even know how that happens, but it's just like red, it faded into it somehow. And then my A-pillars are not screwed in one spot, so I need to do that. But yeah, all this right here, this panel right here is cracked. Y'all can see all that dirt and crap back there. There's a lot of stuff that I still need to do. But up under here, there's a bunch of rust holes I had to come up and Bondo all that crap. And the floor is pitiful. This had rips in it, so I just duct taped it for now. Probably gonna throw a seat cover on it. We got some stinking heat shrink, spray paint, bunch of power steering fluid. That's why I'm replacing the power steering pump now. I don't know where all this dust come from, but yeah, that's rusted somehow. But yeah, and the other day, okay, so them brakes right there, you had to push them down all the way, and they wouldn't come back up, all right, but they'd work. And so the other day, I bled the brake line over there on that side because it was bad. And then whenever I bled it, it had so much pressure, like it just got to where it's normal pressure. And so if you touch the brake, or if you just start it up, it's like it slammed the brake pedal to the floor. It's wild. I found out it was a brake booster. So I went out there. We got a parts truck out there with a 300 inline 6. Stole the brake booster off of it. And it fit perfect. And now they work. I just gotta bleed the whole system or bleed the master cylinder. But yeah, you know, we got the chrome door roller upper. Not a chrome handle though. Got a chrome handle over there, but it came off the bullnose door. Need to get another one. And right now I got stock door speaker in there, and I got Scar little 80-watt tweeter up there. Same place up here, Scar 80-watt tweeter, because I just had them laying around. And then I had this dual single DIN radio laying around the shop. And it's pretty much like the one I got in my little truck. So I was like, I mean, it'll work for now, you know what I'm saying? Works pretty good. I might give y'all a sound test here in a minute. That door you kind of got to slam. But man, with this fender right here, so how I had it sitting before I got the new fender and stuff, I had this piece right here. This is a different piece because I had this sitting on top of that to keep the hood propped up. And my dad came out here one day and he just started pushing on it because it was pouring down raining. He wasn't trying to get my motor wet. You know, he had good intentions, but bad, you know, it took that and it bent it down and twisted it and crap. So it messed up that whole thing. So I chopped the piece off at the parts place and got that. And I welded it on. I couldn't get it right. And then finally I got him to do it. We got it all set and right. But it's still not perfect. This door right here is like down a little bit. I've tried to adjust it. It won't adjust. I don't know. I'm fine with it though. I want to make it two-tone. So I'm definitely going to have to fix that one day because the body lines don't match up on either. I mean, yeah, that's the project truck. I'm going to have to end it here because my phone already ran out of storage 2 times. So I'm going to have to go ahead, get this edit together, throw it on YouTube. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, and comment what y'all think below. It's definitely not done, and I'll try to get the rest of my progress on it on video. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a good rest of the day, and deuces, brother.